Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to insert text box in Excel document. So friends, if you need to insert text box, so there is very simple and easy method. Firstly, click on insert, then click on text box. Now draw text box where you want to insert. In my case, I want to insert in here. Now type or paste your content. You can change size as your content requirement, like this. And also friends, you can change placement for this text box. If you want to change, so just click on it, and when cursor turn in 4 arrows, so drag and drop where you want to use this text box, like this. And friends, if you want to delete this text box, so click on border, then press delete key. That's it. So friends, by this very simple and basic video, we can know how to insert text box in Excel worksheet. Hopefully friends, you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.